Are you ready for the thrill of your life? Because I'll be ziplining, bungee jumping, walking on glass, going on a mega swing and enjoying more than 30 adventure activities at this adventure park near Mumbai. That too starting at only 1700 rupees. Woo! Welcome to Treat Resort.
That I can be the one, if that is what I want. Your days are gone, you've had your little fun. I'll make your dreams come true.
Located in the heart of Silvassa, Treat Resort Silvassa is an ideal weekend escape just 125 kilometers from Surat and 180 kilometers from Mumbai. This resort offers premium rooms with pool, an adventure park, infinity pool, restaurants, multi-sports turf, nightclubs and a lot more. It's a perfect destination for Mumbai and Gujarat residents seeking a quick getaway packed with adventure and relaxation.
Wow, I literally can't believe that this place was just a few hours away from Mumbai. Well, Mumbaikars, aren't we all just tired of going to the same places like Lonavala and Igatpuri for our weekend getaways? Well, this time I've come a little further to a place where I'll be jumping from the skies, enjoying a day at the pool and fulfilling my adrenaline rush all at one place. And the best part is that I have a Curly Tails exclusive offer for you guys where you can stay, have breakfast, lunch and enjoy a day at the adventure park at only 20,000 rupees for a couple. Now before we move on to the adventure, let me show you the property. They have 6 categories of stay option. This is the signature suite room which has a very lavish living room and a bedroom overlooking the infinity pool and a very beautiful garden. But that is not even the best part. The best part is the in-suite jacuzzi. If you are a Curly Tails follower, you don't have to burn a hole in your pocket to stay here. You can stay here at only 23,000 rupees inclusive of lunch, breakfast, taxes and passes for the adventure park. So what are you waiting for? Treat your loved ones at Treat Resort Silvassa. Moving on, this is called the premium room that caters to couples, families and leisure travelers. These rooms offer the ultimate relaxation as you can soak in a bathtub or enjoy a view of an expansive garden and fountain from your spacious sit-outs. And obviously, if you are a Curly Tails follower, you don't have to pay full price. You can get this room at only 20,000 rupees for a couple, inclusive of breakfast, lunch, taxes and a day's pass at the adventure park. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the bio and book this room right now.
For now, I'm going to enjoy a floating breakfast in the pool.
This is such a beautiful morning and I have a day filled with adventure ahead of me. But before that day starts, I think breakfast to thoda grand hona chahiye na. So I am having this floating breakfast at the infinity pool, after which we'll head for the activities. Cheers. The Treat Adventure Park, which is the largest adventure park in the south of Gujarat, and I can literally feel the adrenaline rush right from here. So let's go check it out. अब आपको ग्लास वॉकिंग करने के लिए राजगीर बिहार जाने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज ग्लास वॉकिंग इज नाउ नियर मुंबई एट ट्रीट रिसॉर्ट सिलवासा. चलो वहां से व्यू दिखाती हूँ बट संभाल के चलना. सो दिस गाय जस्ट टोल्ड मी हम 110 फीट ऊपर है फ्रॉम ग्राउंड लेवल और मुझे यहाँ से ग्राउंड दिख रहा है. सो स्कैरी. लविंग द व्यू बट ओवर हियर. वैसे मॉनसून में यहाँ आने का फ़ायदा बड़ा है कि तुमको सारी ग्रीनरी दिखती है. this adventure park has more than 33 adventure activities and I'm going for the mega swing now. I'm excited and scared at the same time. Let's go! Bungee jumping!
From ziplining through the skies on their 1600 feet zip line tour to taking the leap of a lifetime with their heart-pounding bungee jumping, there's excitement in every turn. Swing on the mega swing, pedal high on the sky cycle and get your heart racing with paintball shooting. Spin inside the human 360 gyro and enjoy with your friends foosball. With attractions like Glass Walk and Paintball Warzone, Treat Adventure Park brings out your inner thrill seeker.
Goal, 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 goal! So my thrill for adventure did not stop at the adventure park. So now I've come to their multi-sport turf to enjoy volleyball, football, cricket and so many sports. Good game, good game! So after a day filled with adventure and activities, nothing beats unwinding and relaxing. So I'm here at their award-winning Serenity Spa to enjoy a very relaxing spa session. Follow me. I feel so relaxed after that spa session and now I'm all ready to party. Well, अभी तो party शुरू हुई है, so let's head to their nightclub Euphoria. Oh my god, this is such a pretty dinner setup. I'm loving it already. So this has truly been an exciting day, from thrilling adventures to lounging by the pool to a relaxing spa session. I've enjoyed every bit of it, and with the Curly Tails exclusive offer, you can enjoy all of this starting at rupees 20,000 only. So click on the link in the bio and book your stay today at Treat Resort in Silvassa. Until then, that's me, Sara Gadvi, signing out.